has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cook County in Georgia, northeastern Decatur County in southwestern Georgia, northern Grady County in southwestern Georgia, southern Irwin County in Georgia, Berrien County in Georgia, southern Mitchell County in southwestern Georgia, northern Thomas County in Georgia, northwestern Brooks County in Georgia, Colquitt County in Georgia, Tift County in Georgia, southeastern Worth County in Georgia, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Tifton to near Tyke to 7 miles northwest of Norman Park to near Darren to 9 miles northwest of Riverside to 6 miles east of Camilla to Pelham to 12 miles northeast of Bainbridge, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tiffin, Nashville, Moultrie, Adel, Sylvester, Sparks, Enigma, Omega, Norman Park, Lenox, Poulin, Tyke, Ocklackney, Alapaha, Pavo, Coolidge, Phillipsburg, Unionville, Riverside, and Schley. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. A basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for south central and southwestern Georgia. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Georgia: Berrien, Brooks, Colquitt, and Cook.